am Mrs. Rajita Kulkarni. I am the president of Shri Shri University. In fact, I would challenge us to look not just at 2040 but 2047, because our Honorable Prime Minister has given a very big vision for India, that by 2047 we will be a fully developed country and we will be a top 3 economy of the world. And what that means is today the approximately $5 trillion economy that we are could become a $30 trillion economy. And that means a delta of $25 trillion. And this additional $25 trillion is going to get generated. It doesn't exist today. And for that to happen, I think higher education is going to be a huge driver. So what it means for Indian higher education and for India in general is, I think, a huge platform of opportunities. Number 2, a huge potential for growth. And number 3, really India becoming not just the market of the world, but the talent pool of the world, the information camera of the world. And I think that is a very promising and very exciting future for us in India. And I think therefore in higher education, we need to be sure that as universities and higher education institutions, we continuously have an eye on the future, prepare ourselves, be agile and adapt to a changing world, to an evolving world, be ready to take action and take action fast. And I think be ready to scale, because if we have to really reach that level, scale is going to play a very big role. Yeah, innovation, I believe innovation doesn't lie outside of us, it lies inside of us. You know, if you go back a few centuries, all the inventions that happened there, you know, even go back to our own Vedas and Shastras, you know, Aryabhatta, Sushruta, they didn't have any innovation labs or innovation ecosystems to create those inventions. But those innovative ideas, thoughts came from somewhere from within, right? So the potential for innovation is inside us, and everything outside is just a facilitator to accelerate that process or to help it get executed. My advice would be focus on what is inside and how can I connect to that. So there are different layers to our consciousness, you know. There are different koshas to our consciousness. And it is considered that the Vigyanmaya kosha, which is the 4th kosha, is the source of innovation, is the source of intuition. Now, how do you reach that? You can't book a ticket to it. You can't take a train or plane for it. The only way you can do it is by connecting with it, by meditation, reflection, by some quiet time. And I think that would be my advice, that all students, along with the busyness of life, along with the dynamism of what your age and what your program, your course demands of you, take some time to go within. And there will be a world of beauty, a world of possibilities that you will see opening in front of you.